Hello everyone. Now I am solving one more problem based on the canonical method. Okay, previous videos is canonical method. It is the first case, and one more type of problems in the canonical method, where in the previous problem we have seen the problems like s square divided by s cube, right? The power of s in the numerator is less than the power of s in the denominator. That is the first case. First problem is solved in the canonical method. Okay, and one more type of the problems, only two type problems in the canonical method. That is second type of problems. The power of s of the numerator and s power in the denominator both are same, or both are equal, or the power of the s in the numerator is greater than power of the s in the denominator. You know that already basics. While doing the partial fraction, s power of the numerator should be less than the denominator s power. So we have to make it the transfer function is like that. The power of s make it minimum than the power of s in the denominator. Here is s cube is there, here also s cube is there. So idu numerator du s power, denominator s highest power kinta idu kadime irbeku. So make it s square and keep it as it is s cube. Okay, see if it is s4, make it a s square, like this. How to do that while doing the partial fraction? See, you know that we'll see the problems. So how to solve the problems? First step is what? The partial fraction. Find the partial fraction. Okay, see, both sides, numerator and denominator side, s power is same, so we can't do the normal directly. We can't go for the partial fraction method. So first reduce the power of s in the numerator and make it less than the s power in the denominator side. Then after that you have to apply partial fraction. Then block diagram, state equation, as usual procedure, right? So make it s power minimum than the denominator s power. So for that directly we are dividing here. Denominator, so numerator by the denominator is here. Denominator side whatever is there, keep it here. Okay, numerator inside. Okay, see here is s cube is there, here is s cube is there. So first I have to minimum, right? So I have to cancel s cube in the numerator side. So ಇದನ್ನ s cube numerator side cancel ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ s cube, how to it get cancel? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 ಅದ. ಸೊ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 1 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. s cube into 1 s cube, 12s square into 1 12s square, 47s 47s, 60 into 1 60, right? See, if ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3s cube ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈ s cube ಫುಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3s cube ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ s cube into 3s cube, 12s square into 3, 47s into 3, getting? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ s cube ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 ಅದ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ divider 1 here. Okay, so make it a cancellation here. Sign change, minus, change the sign here. Get s cube get cancel. So 12 minus 3, 9s square, 47, 45 minus 60 here. Okay, so this is what remainder, this is divider. Okay, so dividend. Then write the transfer function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ 1 plus remainder divided by denominator. ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರು, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬಂದದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರು, ಈ 1 ಏನು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus this transfer function. Okay, see here, see s square numerator side and denominator side s cube is there. So obviously power of s in the numerator is less than the power of s in the denominator side. So now you can apply the partial fraction. Okay, no go for as usual procedure. So one ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ 1 ಇಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫೈಂಡ್ a put see whatever denominator term is there, use calculator. You know, I hope that you know how to find the poles of this denominator term. You pole find out madri, so you will get here pole of these equations. Okay, pole of this equation are s plus 3, s plus 4 and s plus 5. Okay, so solve this. You will get using calculator. You will get the poles s plus 3, s plus 4, s plus 5. Next, find the A, B, C value. Put S equal to -3, -4, -5. Find the A, B, C value. 1 ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಗು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ, ಬರೀ ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಸೇಮ್ previous problem. Okay. Next, block diagram. See block diagram. For this diagram, see how many equations, how many terms are there? S plus 3, S plus 4, S plus 5. 3 terms are there, 3 equations, 3 variables, 3 state equations, 3 blocks connected in parallelly. So ಇದನ್ನ one ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಮೂರು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ -3, -4, -5. So 3 blocks are drawn here. 1, 2, 3. Feedback 3, 4, 5. Then ABC value, ABC value 3, 24, 30. So keep it here 3, 24, 30. All join it here to the output. One side is input and output side. Then 3 blocks are over. Then how to draw this one? 1 is there, right? 1 minus of this term. Draw this one here. Direct input to the output connected. Okay. So here output also got the input. Okay. Input signal yaudri? Idu one signal yaudilli? Input. It comes from the input, right? So draw one directly from input to the output. Getting all of you? See why it is? See transfer function andre en namdu is equal to y divided by u, right? Output by input. So y is equal to u into 1. So y is equal to 1 into u directly you will get from the transfer function. Join 1 from input to the output. So output also got the input. From this block diagram, write the state equation as usual. X1 dot is equal to input C1 income, second incoming u of t into -3 into x1. Next x2 dot is equal to u of t in one more incoming here -4 into x2. Okay. Next x3 dot is equal to u of t and -5 into x3. 3 state equations are over. Next y is equal to 3 into x1. Next plus 24 into x2. Next -30 into x3 plus one more. ಎಷ್ಟು incoming? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. This is from x1, this is from x2, this is from x3, and this is from input u of t. So one change is here. You have to draw extra line. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪವರ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ವಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ವಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಸೇಡ್ ದಟ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್? ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ denominator poles. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ poles ಯಾವ್ದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? -3, 3, 4, 5. So all diagonal elements are poles. -3, -4, -5. Remaining all elements are 0. B matrix as usual all elements are 1. C matrix is nothing but whatever you got the value